Nutrition myth vs. fact, debunking the carbohydrate conundrum. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of nutrition as we explore the much debated topic of carbohydrates. Are they really the villain when it comes to weight gain, or are they an essential fuel for our bodies? Join us as we uncover the truth behind the myth that eating carbs makes you gain weight. We will debunk this misconception and provide you with valuable insights on the importance of choosing nutritious sources of carbohydrates for a balanced and healthy diet. Let's start by addressing the age-old myth that consuming carbohydrates leads to weight gain. This misconception has given carbs a bad reputation over the years, with many people fearing them as the culprit behind expanding waistlines. However, the truth is far more complex than this oversimplified belief. Hit that subscribe button now and kickstart your path to a vibrant, energetic, and balanced lifestyle. Carbohydrates are one of the 3 macronutrients essential for our bodies, along with proteins and fats. They serve as the primary source of energy for our cells, tissues, and organs, providing the fuel needed for various bodily functions. Restricting carbs from our diet can lead to feelings of fatigue, weakness, and lethargy, as our bodies struggle to meet their energy requirements. The key lies in the type and quality of carbohydrates we consume. Not all carbs are created equal, and it is essential to differentiate between simple carbohydrates, often found in sugary and processed foods, and complex carbohydrates, prevalent in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Simple carbs can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, leading to cravings and overeating, which may contribute to weight gain over time. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing sustained energy and promoting feelings of fullness and satiety. Choosing nutrient-dense sources of carbohydrates can actually support weight management and overall health by keeping you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Nutritious carbohydrate choices for a healthy diet. Now that we've debunked the myths surrounding carbohydrates and weight gain, let's explore some nutritious options you can incorporate into your diet. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat products are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates that offer a slew of health benefits. Fruits and vegetables are also fantastic choices for obtaining carbohydrates, as they are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and veggies into your meals not only provides carbohydrates, but also promotes overall well-being and supports a healthy weight. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are an excellent plant-based source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and protein. Including legumes in your diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and maintain a healthy weight. Incorporating healthy fats, lean proteins, and fiber-rich foods alongside your carbohydrate choices can further enhance the nutritional value of your meals and support satiety. Balance and moderation are key when it comes to creating a well-rounded diet that meets your energy needs and promotes overall health. Dispelling common misconceptions about carbs. Before we conclude, let's address some common misconceptions about carbohydrates that may be causing confusion. Contrary to popular belief, not all carbohydrates are fattening or cause weight gain. It's the excessive consumption of refined and sugary carbs, coupled with a sedentary lifestyle, that contributes to unwanted pounds. Additionally, the timing of carbohydrate consumption can influence how your body utilizes and stores energy. Eating carbohydrates in moderation throughout the day, especially before and after physical activity, can provide the necessary fuel for your workouts and aid in muscle recovery. Final thoughts and takeaways. In conclusion, the myth that eating carbs makes you gain weight is just that, a myth. Carbohydrates are an essential macronutrient that plays a vital role in fueling our bodies and supporting various physiological functions. By choosing nutrient-dense sources of carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, you can enjoy the benefits of sustained energy, improved satiety, and better overall health. Practical strategies and actionable tips for incorporating healthy carbs. 1. Plan meals ahead. Take the time to plan your meals and snacks, incorporating a balance of complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich foods. This can help you make smart choices and avoid reaching for convenient but less nutritious options. 2. Read labels. When shopping for groceries, read the labels of packaged foods to identify hidden sugars and processed ingredients. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible to maximize the nutritional value of your carbohydrate choices. 3. Cook at home. Cooking meals at home allows you to control the ingredients and cooking methods, ensuring that you use wholesome ingredients and avoid excessive added sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats commonly found in restaurant meals. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is essential for overall health. and can help prevent overeating. Sometimes feelings of hunger can actually be thirst in disguise, so be sure to stay hydrated throughout the day. 5. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and eat slowly to savor your food. Mindful eating can help you recognize when you're satisfied, preventing mindless overeating and promoting a healthy relationship with food. By incorporating these practical strategies and actionable tips into your daily routine, you can make informed choices about the carbohydrates you consume and optimize your nutrition for overall health and well-being. Remember to focus on balance, variety, and moderation in your diet, incorporating a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and fiber-rich foods in each meal. By debunking misconceptions and arming yourself with accurate information, you can make informed choices that support your well-being and fitness goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition facts, myths, and tips on living a healthy lifestyle. Until next time, take care and stay nourished.